Hey, I'm Leo.
And I'm Poppy. Today we're going to learn about prepositions of time.
What does that mean? Prepositions
Of
time. Prepositions are words that tell us when something happens, like at 7 a.m., where something is like under the chair, and even where things are going, like into the classroom. What are prepositions of time? Let's learn about prepositions of time. They tell us when, like on, in, and at. In a rhyme, I eat my lunch at 12 o'clock. My birthday is on the 2nd of August. A fun-filled day around the clock. Leaves fall down from the trees in autumn, floating in the breeze. Use the at, we use it with the times on the clock. School starts at 8:30, tick-tock, tick-tock. We finish school at 3:30 each day. Then it's time to read, run, or play. We also use at for times of the day. At night, at lunchtime, we say it that way. I do my homework at night before bed. We eat in the classroom at lunchtime, it's said. Use it on, we use on with days of the week. I go swimming on Wednesday, I splash and I squeak. We always play football on Mondays too. We run, we kick, we score, woohoo! We also use on for special dates. On the 18th of June, we race with our classmates. Poppy's birthday's on the 21st of April, hooray! There's cake and fun all through the day. Use the in, we use it for times of day. In the morning, I get up and play. We go to the park in the afternoon. We look at the sky and spot the moon. Use in for months and years. In January, we build a snowman with cheers. They moved house in 2022 to a road with a garden and a lovely view. We use in for each season too. In winter, spring, summer, and autumn, it's true. We go to the beach in summer with fun. We visit the farm in spring, see the baby lambs run.
Now it's your turn. Can you fill in the blanks to these questions? We will take a trip. Blank. 2026. We will take a trip in 2026. Yes! Great job! Well done! I take a shower, blank, night. I take a shower at night. Wow, you remembered. That's awesome. They celebrate New Year's Eve. Blank, the 31st of December. They celebrate New Year's Eve on the 31st of December. Correct! You're on fire. My dentist appointment is blank, 4:30 p.m. My dentist appointment is at 4:30 p.m. Yes, you're amazing. High five. We build a snowman, blank, winter. We build a snowman in winter? Great job, well done.
I play tennis, blank, Sunday. I play tennis on Sunday. Great job, well done.
Quick review! On for days and dates, we say on Tuesday, on the 1st of January. At for the time on the clock each day. At 7:30 a.m. At lunchtime. At Christmas, we say in for seasons, times of day and years. In winter, in the morning, in between 2022 with cheer. That's it from us. You did so well. Now you know when to use on, in, and at. Can you tell? See you next time.